If you're a student, a mother active in club work, a man who brings work home from the office, this was made for you. The Remington Office-Riter, a new kind of portable designed to give you the extra features you need. King-size carriage, so long it can handle a sheet of school notebook paper lengthwise. Look, the Office-Riter types nearly the full 11-inch length of the paper, the only portable it can. The Office-Riter types up to 10 carbons, so that even the very last copy is easy to read. Cut clear, clean stencils unlike any ordinary portable. See the exciting new Remington Office-Riter at your dealers. The price only $149.50, carrying case at slight additional cost. Available after a small down payment for only $1.50 a week. Terms payable monthly, including taxes and a small carrying charge.